Have you been going to the gym religiously and keep track of every ounce of food you put in your mouth, but you haven't noticed the scale changing even a bit? Well, if so, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Val, an integrative sleep medicine physician and women's sleep expert, here to talk about why and how not getting enough sleep can impact your weight and your metabolism. Number one, if you don't get enough sleep, there's simply more time during the day to eat. There are only so many things we do during the day. Eating, sleeping, working, exercising, spending time with our friends, or even in entertainment like watching YouTube videos. And if you have more minutes in your day, guess what? There are just more time and opportunities to eat. And when you eat and take in more calories, this can result in more weight gain instead of weight loss. Number two, insufficient sleep can lead to psychological distress. I'd be first to admit when I don't get enough sleep, I tend to be a little bit grouchy. And so mood is one of the first things that goes when you're sleep deprived. And guess what? Sometimes this can lead to having symptoms of like anxiety or depression. And if you're an emotional eater, guess what? You're gonna grab the snacks, you're gonna grab the potato chips, the french fries as comfort foods to really feed your soul. And that can lead to more calories in than calories out. Number three, when we're tired, there's a greater sensitivity to food as a reward. Sleep deprivation can affect the brain's reward system. Dopamine hit, anybody? Thus, making us more sensitive to the pleasure derived from food. And when this happens, this can also lead to overeating, especially foods high in sugar as well as fat, really to satisfy cravings and seek comfort. Number four, without an adequate amount of sleep, it can lead to mindless or a disinhibited eating zone. What do I mean by that? Well, sleep-deprived individuals may experience more disinhibited eating, where you lower your guard and you simply just don't care about maybe what you're even doing or putting in your mouth. And when that happens, you can indulge in more unhealthy eating behaviors without really even worrying about any of the consequences. And that leads to more caloric intake. Number five, without enough sleep, you just need more energy to be able to stay awake. And so when we lack sleep, our bodies compensate by requiring more energy to extend wakefulness. And what does that mean? We have to eat more. Food is fuel. And that can lead to requiring more calories to fuel our daily activities. Number six, there's actually a change in our appetite hormones. Have you ever heard of leptin and ghrelin? Leptin, think of it as a hormone that signals satiety, meaning putting a brake on your appetite. And then the other hormone is called ghrelin. I like to think of this hormone like a gremlin. It makes you want to eat more. And when you don't get enough sleep, there's a shift in these hormones. Leptin goes down, ghrelin goes up, and it's really not about willpower. You just have a hard time saying no to those snacks because you're so tired, and then these hormones of satiety or hunger have sort of gone awry. So these are 6 potential reasons why it's hard to lose weight when you get enough sleep. I always encourage my audience and patients to make sure that sleep is a priority. If you can increase your sleep duration by even an hour, if you're getting less than 6, it has been shown in research to decrease the amount of calories you intake by about 300 a day, even without changing your exercise levels. Pretty cool, right? So prioritize sleep is so helpful in maintaining a healthy metabolism and also feeling better and your overall well-being. All right, ladies, I hope you found this video helpful. To learn more about women's sleep health, please subscribe to the Sleephoria Insider newsletter. Link is below. As always, until next time, sleep well.